Welcome to the No Knead dinner roll course. I'm so glad you're here. I created this course for the home cook who has never made bread before. If you are a more experienced cook who has tried their hand at making bread before but had disastrous results, this course is for you too. If you're interested in bread baking and love to share what you make with family and friends, then you're in the right place. Now let's get into what we'll be covering in the course. In this course, you will learn what tools and ingredients you need to make bread at home. I'll also show you how to test your yeast so you get great results every single time. Then I'll show you how to quickly mix the dough and eliminate the kneading process. I'll also show you 3 different ways to shape your dough into dinner rolls. In this step-by-step course, you'll see exactly what your dough should look like every step of the way. There are tons of books and websites and videos on the bread making process. But if you're a beginner, you probably don't have time to look around at different videos with different people and different teaching styles. So I have laid it all out for you in a step-by-step way that makes sense. If you ever have any questions while you're going through the course, then just post them in the comments section and I'll do my best to answer them within a couple of days. I'm so happy to have you here, so let's get started with our first lesson.